The classic Land Rover Defender has long been one of the most sought-after platforms in the restomod world, and it's easy to see why. Collectors want that old-school character, but most also want it to actually drive well in 2026. Helderberg has carved out its own niche in that space, and its philosophy is a little different from most. Rather than reinventing the Defender, the company focuses on rebuilding it carefully, keeping the soul intact while sharpening everything around it. Its latest project, called Lang, sums up that approach nicely, holding on to the original turbo diesel character while quietly upgrading nearly everything else underneath it. Most high-end Defender builds these days go the V8 route, ripping out the factory engine entirely. Lang doesn't do that. The turbo diesel stays put, but Helderberg has reworked its internals and supporting systems enough to squeeze out roughly 42% more power than stock. That's a meaningful jump, without abandoning what made these engines feel the way they do. There's more confidence on tap now, but the personality hasn't been erased in the process. The whole build was shaped around actual use, rather than showroom appeal. It was originally commissioned by a Texas ranch owner who needed something capable enough to cover serious ground on the property, but comfortable enough for road trips and everyday errands too. That dual-purpose brief runs through every decision Helderberg made. Nothing here feels like it was added just to look good in photos. The changes go well past the engine bay. There's a completely revised braking system, upgraded power steering, reworked suspension, and a locking four-wheel drive differential. New shocks, sway bars, and stabilizers help settle the ride at highway speeds without giving up the off-road composure Defenders are known for. Older Defenders were tough as nails but never exactly refined. Vague steering, a demanding driving experience, not much comfort to speak of. And this is Helderberg directly addressing those weak points rather than papering over them. Visually, Lang stays true to the original shape while adding some real presence. It's finished in oak green metallic, a color that suits the truck's rugged nature without feeling flashy. A matte black roll cage wraps around the exterior, and it's not just for looks. It's actually integrated into the body and bolted to the frame, adding genuine protection rather than just visual toughness. Up front, there's a black grille, updated headlights, and a heavy-duty steel bumper, finished off with red recovery hooks. All of it adds durability and a slightly more commanding stance without making the truck feel disconnected from where it came from. It still reads as a Defender, just one that's been through a serious refinement process. Step inside, and the transformation gets a lot more dramatic. Gone is the old utilitarian cabin. In its place sits a handcrafted interior with premium materials and real comfort. Black and brown quilted leather covers the seats, paired with a custom 3-spoke wood-rimmed steering wheel. And the whole cabin leans more toward luxury tourer than working 4x4. A modern infotainment system brings connectivity the original truck never had, closing the gap with contemporary expectations without messing with the driving experience itself. Practicality hasn't been forgotten either. Unlike a lot of collector-focused builds that stick to 2 seats, Lang keeps a third-row bench, letting it carry up to 8 people. That's a nice nod back to the Defender's roots as a genuine utility vehicle, while also making it usable for family trips rather than just solo adventures. The wheel and tire setup gets the same attention to detail. Helderberg's wider stance package, with signature 5-spoke beadlock-style wheels, wrapped in BF Goodrich KM3 tires.
It's a combination that boosts both the truck's stance and its actual off-road grip. So it's not just about looking tougher, it genuinely performs better in rough conditions too. What really separates Lang from a lot of other high-dollar restomods is that diesel decision. Keeping the original powertrain instead of chasing horsepower with a V8 swap keeps the truck's identity intact. Helderberg's whole approach here is improvement without erasure. Every system gets better, but the mechanical foundation stays exactly what it always was. So the final product feels like an evolved Defender rather than a different vehicle wearing Defender skin. This kind of build fits into a much bigger shift happening across the classic car world right now. A lot of enthusiasts used to face a real dilemma: keep a vehicle completely original and accept its flaws, or modernize it and lose some of that historical character. Restomods exist specifically to bridge that gap, and Lange is a pretty clean example of how that balance can work when it's done thoughtfully. Craftsmanship is really the backbone of the whole project. Helderberg isn't just bolting aftermarket parts onto an old truck. Each Defender conversion gets treated more like a full restoration and modernization effort. Every part gets chosen, upgraded, or completely redesigned with the final product in mind, and that level of attention is what turns an aging utility vehicle into something that can genuinely compete with modern luxury SUVs. The classic Defender earned its reputation through simplicity. Boxy shape, upright seating, exposed mechanicals, and off-road ability that few vehicles could match. But that same simplicity came with real trade-offs. No modern safety features, limited comfort, not much refinement to speak of. Helderberg's whole mission with Lange is chipping away at those compromises while keeping the character that made the Defender legendary in the first place. It's also worth noting how differently Lange approaches things compared to the wave of V8 swap Defenders currently flooding the restomod scene. Big petrol engines deliver serious straight-line performance, sure, but they also change what the truck fundamentally feels like to drive. Sticking with an upgraded diesel keeps that traditional Defender experience alive while still making it genuinely more usable day to day. For owners planning actual long-distance travel or remote exploration, that diesel setup makes a lot of practical sense. You get more performance without giving up the reliability diesel engines are known for. It's a build meant to be driven hard and far, not just parked in a garage and admired. The suspension and chassis work matters just as much here, since the original Defender platform was built around durability rather than comfort. The upgrades tighten up control and reduce body movement at speed, while still preserving the suspension travel needed for serious off-roading. Getting that balance right, comfort without sacrificing capability, is really what separates a good restomod from a mediocre one. Exterior-wise, nothing about Lange tries to force modern styling onto a classic shape. Instead, the upgrades just reinforce what was already there. Stronger materials, better lighting, added protection, and a more premium finish overall. It still looks unmistakably like a Defender, just one that seems more prepared for anything you'd throw at it. The interior overhaul is probably the single biggest departure from the factory truck. Original Defenders were built cheap and tough, with materials chosen purely for durability. Helderberg flips that completely, bringing in handcrafted leather, better seating, and modern tech, turning the cabin into somewhere you'd actually want to spend hours without losing that sense of adventure the truck's always represented. Adding modern infotainment matters more than it might seem at first glance, since these trucks predate smartphones and digital connectivity entirely. It's a quality-of-life upgrade that doesn't touch the core driving experience. Owners get modern convenience while keeping all the mechanical engagement that made these trucks fun to drive in the first place. That third-row seating setup also sets Lange apart from a lot of other custom luxury off-roaders, which tend to focus purely on the individual owner's experience. Being able to fit a whole family changes what the truck is actually good for. Road trips, outdoor trips, daily use, and that real-world versatility adds a lot to its appeal for collectors who actually want to drive their vehicles rather than just store them. All that exclusivity comes at a price, unsurprisingly. Custom Defender builds already carry steep premiums given the labor and engineering involved, and Lange sits toward the top of that market at around $300,000. At that price, buyers aren't just paying for an old SUV with some upgrades, they're paying for a hand-built vehicle shaped around specific needs and tastes. That puts Lange in the same price range as plenty of modern luxury SUVs, but it offers something those trucks simply can't: genuine history, mechanical character, and a real connection to off-road heritage. A brand new luxury SUV might out-tech and outperform it on paper, but it'll never replicate the personality baked into a properly restored Defender. Builds like this reflect a broader shift in how people relate to classic vehicles these days. Rather than preserving something exactly as it left the factory, more collectors now want personalized versions that improve daily usability without losing authenticity. It's created a whole new category where heritage, craftsmanship, and modern engineering all meet somewhere in the middle. Helderberg's Lange fits right into that space, not trying to erase the Defender's past, just polishing its rough edges while keeping everything that made it special in the first place.